How to create a new record in Airtable. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can create a new record in Airtable. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, this is how the Airtable's homepage looks like. You will see a welcome address. You also see a search bar at the top part of the screen. Then on the main screen, you also see your recently worked workspace or options to create from scratch to start with template etc. So the next step for you to do is to either select start from scratch, that is to start a blank base, or to just work with the base that you might have been working with before. So once you click on a base that you've been working with before, you will be brought to the workspace. Now on this space, for you to go ahead and create a new record, all you need to do is move to the lower part of the screen and then click on the plus icon here. You can see that immediately you place your cursor on the plus icon, you'll see the option add record, right? Yeah. So once you see it that way, just click on it. Now, once you've clicked on it, you can see the notification saying that you've added a new row. See what is next, and then from here you can now go ahead and title the new record the way you want. And then you can also click on this see what is next for you to see the things that you need to do for you to be able to complete this workspace. So this is basically how you can set up a new record on Airtable or create a new record on Airtable. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.